students, yesterday we have seen that factorization of the quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. So today I will try to cubic polynomial like yesterday idea. When we take here common, you can get here x cube, x square, and remaining here x minus 3. But what is common over here? Nothing common, so we can take here minus, and it is 9x plus 5. Right? Just like yesterday. But we see here this and this both bracket are different. Right? कल हमने क्या देखा था कि both are same. Today it is different. It means we cannot go further. It is not useful for us. अगर ब्रैकेट सेम आया था तो हमारे लिए यूजफुल रहता, फिर आगे प्रोसेस करते जैसे कल कर रहे थे कि ब्रैकेट सेम नहीं आया, इट मींस दिस आइडिया इज नॉट यूजफुल फॉर अस. सो नाउ वी विल यूज अनदर आइडिया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू फाइंड वन फैक्टर by this is called by remainder theorem, by factor theorem you can say, right? This is the very interesting idea and 3 or 4 ideas are used to find this. Trying this, someone said that factor of 5, that is plus 1 minus 1 and plus 5 minus 5. So by using the 1, putting the 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 in the simple way, I can say that we will put 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 are the factor of this only 1 minus 1 5 minus 5. So by putting this we will try to find out 0, right? I don't know whenever it will be 0, but we will try one by one. First of all we will put 1. If it is get 0, then we can go further. If it is not 0, then I will put minus 1, right? So here we will try to put 1 in rough. In the rough, try to put x equal to 1. We will get 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 plus minus 5. This will give you 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 9 plus 5. This will give you 1 minus 3 minus 9 plus 5. Right? So in this way, 1 plus 5 is gets 6, minus 3 minus 9 gets minus 12. This is minus 6, not a 0. When you put 1, the polynomial value of polynomial not becomes 0. Then try another thing. Try minus 1. Try here putting minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. This will give you minus 1. This will give you 3 into 1. This will give you plus 9 minus 5. This is minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 minus 5. Now plus is 9, 5, 3, 8, 1, 9. Minus 9 gets 0. So when we put 1, it not becomes 0. When we put minus 1, it becomes 0. So minus 1 is useful for us. So we can write here, put x equal to minus 1. जो काम हमने रफ में किया, जो हम 0 फाइंड कर पाए जिसमें जो पुट करने से उसको हम अपने फेयर में लिख लेंगे. जिसमें 0 नहीं फाइंड कर पाए वो यूजफुल नहीं है, नहीं लिखेंगे. लिख भी सकते हैं बट लेंथी हो जाएगा, राइट? तो यूजफुल नहीं है तो क्या मतलब, आपका आइडिया ले लिया हमने, वो चीज़ आप पेयर में शो करेंगे. नाउ p ऑफ minus 1 or we can say here only write here p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. As we know that first of all we should simplify the power notation. So this will be minus 1 minus 3, this will be plus 1, and this will be minus 9 minus 1 is plus 9 minus 5. Now in the next we will multiply here minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 minus 5. Now plus is 9, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4, minus 9, that gets 0. In this way, P of minus 1 gets 0. By putting x equal to minus 1, we get the value of the polynomial is 0. So when you transfer minus 1 in the left hand side, you will get x minus 1. It is x minus 1. When you transfer it, it will be x plus 1 equal to 0. So in this way, we can say therefore x plus 1 is therefore is a factor, right? How you can get x plus 1? Transfer minus 1 here, you will get x plus 1. Now we find that x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. As we know that it is cubic polynomial, so many other factors may be possible in this. Now try next. And the next, now first of all you write the polynomial x cube minus 3x square, this, right? Now we are going to use a lengthy process first, then simplify and come back to the short process. Now what is the first thing? Write here factor x plus 1 for this value. Is it? For this value, write here factor x plus 1. So multiply x, try to find out x cube. What should you multiply in the x to get x cube? Just like as in the Lagrange division. What should we multiply x to get x cube? Right? So we will multiply x cube, x square here. X square into x gets x cube. क्या करना है हमको? किसी ऐसी चीज से मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि हमारा x क्यूब कंप्लीट हो जाए. हम पहले क्या करते हैं, एक एक टर्म को हम कंप्लीट करते चलेंगे इसी तरह से. सो दिस इज बिकम्स x क्यूब. नाउ x स्क्वायर प्लस 1, x square plus 1 give you an extra plus x square. But in your question, it is minus 3x square. Right? You have an extra x square, but in your question, you have only minus 3x square. Write the value of x square here like this. This and this value should be equal to minus 3x square. So if you put here minus 4x square, see, by putting this I will do it directly, then explain you. If you put here minus x square and here are plus x square, so if you open the bracket, you will get here plus x square and this is minus x square. Now this way, this will be minus 3x square, right? Your minus 3x square should be balanced, right? By putting a useful, a suitable x square here, either 4 square, 5 square, whatever is suitable. Now keep right, it is like as it is. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, बाकी को हम as it is उतार देंगे. अभी हम थोड़ा इसको लंबा कर रहे हैं, शॉर्ट भी कर सकते हैं, बहुत आइडिया है इसका. Now keep it as it is. Now to do the same work for this. Same work, like at same work for this term. And put here and multiply it to get this value. यहाँ ऐसा नंबर पुट करना है कि इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद आपका ये वैल्यू एडजस्ट होना चाहिए, right? So as we see here, here is no minus, so you can use minus 4 and a x, right? 4, what is here? X, so you can put here 1x more. So 4 minus 4x into x gets यहाँ जो कमी है इसको पूरा करने वो हम एज ए कोफिशिएंट, एज ए मल्टीपल उसको यूज कर लेंगे. नाउ दिस वे you have minus 4x square, but in the multiplying this minus 4x into 1, I am focusing on this. This is the more critical for you maybe. Now you get here minus 4 into x into plus 1 gets minus 4x. minus 4x into plus 1 gets minus 4, but in your question you have here minus 9x. So right here x is so that you will always be balanced. आपको ऐसा x यहाँ लिखना है कि आप बैलेंस रहें, राइट? The sum should be minus 9x. आपका minus 4x पहले से आ रहा है, हम यहाँ लिख देते हैं पहले minus 5x. Again try to find out this minus 4x into 1 gets minus 4x, and your minus 5x here, minus 5x, it becomes minus 9x like this. कितना हो गया आपका? जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर से आ रहा है, और यहाँ हमने ऐसा लिखा कि जो ब्रैकेट अंदर आ रहा है एंड दिस दोनों मिलके कितना बन गया? minus 9x. Now again put here, carry it as it is, no changing there. Now in the next line, write it as it is, write it also as it is. Now again try to simplify this. You can put here x plus 1. Same one for the first step, for the second step, for the third step, right? In the second one, what we can do? What should we multiply x to get minus 5x? What should we multiply in x to get minus 5x? Since x is here, no lack of x here, so we can use minus 5. Minus 5x, and it is minus 5x. And minus 5 into 1 gets minus 5, and it is minus 5. Right? In the last, minus 5 into 1 gets minus 5, and it is minus 5. So this is adjusted. Right? यहाँ पे कोई कमी नहीं है. Right? जितना आना चाहिए था उतना आ चुका है. And this is the truth of my question. That लास्ट में अपने आप ये इतना सेट हो जाएगा. अगर हो गया इट मीन्स यू आर राइट, हमारा अब तक मामला सही है, राइट? अगर ये कहीं पे हम कुछ गड़बड़ किए रहेंगे तो यहाँ ऑलरेडी गड़बड़ आ जाएगा. ये एक आइडिया आप ले सकते हैं हम सही चल रहे हैं नहीं चल रहे हैं. इन दिस वे यू फाइंड दैट x plus 1 is here in the first term, in the second term, in the third term. x plus 1 क्या है? तीनों टर्म है. So we can say x plus 1 again common, and remaining here in this term remaining x square, in this term remaining 4x, in this term remaining 5. right? क्या किया हमने? x plus 1 को फिर कॉमन लिया या x plus 1 को बाहर निकाल लिया. क्या बचा यहाँ पे? x square minus 4x minus 5. Again we find that this is a quadratic equation. We further can be factorize it. If it can be factorized possible होगा तो इसको हम फिर से factorize कर सकते हैं. either unless यहीं पे छोड़ देंगे. Now let us try to factorize it. This is minus 5. Now as you know yesterday that minus 5 should be split in two factors such that here are minus, means subtraction of these two factors should be 4. So minus 5 can be written as 5 into 1. 5 1 ja 5. 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1 is 4. Right? How you can find the subtraction? Because here are negative. In this case, here is no any number, no any coefficient other than 1. 1 is coefficient. In the simple way you can say here is no coefficient, so no need to multiply this and this. Right? Or if you will take here coefficient 1, so 1 into 5 is also 5. अगर आप मानते हैं कि coefficient 1 है तो 1 into 5 is 5. लेकिन इंटरनली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, यहाँ कोई coefficient नहीं है, सिर्फ इससे काम चला लीजिए आप. So when you split the 5 into two factors, that is 5 into 1, right? 5 minus 1 is, we can say 4. So right here, as I tell you to study that x square, write the largest number first. That is 5x with the same sign given in the question. क्या करेंगे हम लोग? पहले लार्जर नंबर को लिखेंगे और जो साइन क्वेश्चन में उसी को यूज करेंगे. राइट? बड़े वाले नंबर को लिखेंगे और जो साइन गिवन है उसी को यूज करेंगे. सेकंड वाला चेंज कर देंगे इन केस ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. अगर सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं तो सेकंड वाले को चेंज कर देंगे, तो क्या बनेगा ये प्लस एंड इट इज 1x minus 5, right? As we can see here, this simplification gets minus 4x. Minus 5x plus 1x gets minus 4. You can write here x also in the place of 1x, right? So again, try to find out common between these twos. Now x is common, here x minus here x is going on 5 only. हमने x कॉमन ले लिया, यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर था, ओनली x बचा, यहाँ पे x चला गया, ओनली 5 बचा. In this case, plus is already here, so always use plus. Common between 1 and 5 is 1. कोई कॉमन नहीं है, एज इन जनरल नहीं दिखाई दे रहा, 1 तो सबका कॉमन होता है, so use 1. So in the bracket you will find x minus 5, right? See here, we find that both are same, so it means we are true. X plus 1 and this can be written as x minus 1 x minus 5 in a bracket, and in other bracket x plus 1. First take one x minus 5 as a common, then in other bracket x and plus 1. Okay, now you can write it opening the bracket, this and this and this. We observe here x plus 1 x plus 1 is 2 times, so we can write here also it like this, x plus 1 whole square and x minus 5, right? No need to write this. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि आप यही लिखें, नहीं लिखेंगे तब भी कोई बात नहीं, बट यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है x plus 1, so you can write here x plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the first question. I am giving solving one more, then you will try to see at your home. Now we will try again to solve B. This was the A. This was the A. Now try to solve B. कुछ टाइम आ गया है,
18 हो गया.
एक और दे देने को आ जाएगा. What is B? X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, right? In the same question, you can write here px also. Easy for you. In the last question, as the last question, try to put the value of x 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2 are the factors of 20, either plus or minus, right? So in the simple way you can say 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, generally it comes it gives a factor. In the simple cases, put here x equal to, as we know that here are no minus, so by putting plus you will never become 0. कोई माइनस नहीं है, इसलिए बिना माइनस के 0 नहीं होगा, प्लस यूज करने से कभी 0 नहीं होगा, राइट? सो ऑलवेज पुट हियर माइनस. दिस विल बी minus 1 cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. This will give you minus plus 13 into 1 minus 32 plus 20. This will give you minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. Now plus 13 plus 20, 33, minus 1 minus 32 minus 33. Right? So we find that minus 1 gives the makes the polynomial 0. Right? So use here, put x equal to minus 1. P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Right? This is minus 1 plus 13 into minus 1 plus 32 into minus 1. Sorry, this is plus 1. and plus 20. Now this is minus 1 plus 13 1 30. 32 minus 1 gets minus 32 plus 20. This will give you plus 13 plus 20. This is plus 33. Minus 1 minus 32 gives minus 33. In this way it becomes 0 since p of minus 1 becomes 0. P of minus 1 becomes 0. Right? So now put in the like last question minus 1 transfer here you get x plus 1. Minus 1 पे इधर ट्रांसफर करेंगे क्या मिलेगा हमको x plus 1. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor of polynomial px. Right? Now again try to factorize another factor. Now x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. We will just do like this previous question. Similarly like previous question. First of all try for this. What we get here? When we multiply x cube in x square in this, you can get x cube. क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसमें कि x cube बन जाए? क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम लोग? x square. Now here 1x square is extra. When we multiply x square into 1, you will get x square, and here are 13x square. Right? We have plus 1x square extra and you have to adjust 13 as well. आपको ऐसा लिखना है कि ये जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर से आ रहा है प्लस जो लिखेंगे मिलके कितना आना चाहिए 30. So we should put here 12x square. Now ensure that this x square plus this 12x square gets 30x square. Now we are correct. Now keep it as it is carried. In the next session, try for the next term, that is x plus 1 again, or this, right? We are just putting a sign, we are doing work for this. Now what should we put here to get 12x square? To giving 12x square, what should we put here? When this should be multiplied in x gets 12x square. So put here plus 12x plus 12x plus 12x into x gives plus 12x square. This is adjusted. Now in the second case 12x into 1 gets plus 12x plus 12x into 1 gets plus 12x, and we have to complete here 32x. What should we put here to get 32x? We had 12x already. What extra should we put in here? We should put here plus 20x. As we know that plus 20x gives 32x. Right? This 12x plus 20x give you 32x, means we are correct, we are true. Plus 20 over carrying over here as it is. Now for the third terms, x square, x plus 1, 12x, x plus 1. Now again put here x plus 1 for the term of this. What should we put here to get 20x? We should put here 20. 20 plus 20 into x gets plus 20 plus 20 into 1 gets plus 20 into 1 gets plus 20. Right? As we know that in the last question also that at the last term should adjusted already. हमने पहले बताया था लास्ट टर्म हमारा ऑलरेडी एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, लास्ट टर्म हमारा ऑलरेडी एडजस्ट हो जाएगा, हो गया ना, क्लियर। देखिए 20 into 1 20 means we are 2. Now again try to find out the LCM, common x plus 1, because x plus 1 is present in every term. So x plus 1 is common over here. What is left here? X square plus 12x plus 20, right? In the next term, we will try again to factorize it, because it is a quadratic equation. So in the same idea, the 20 should be factorized in two parts, such a way that sum of the parts should be 12. 20 can be factorized like 4 into 5. 4 into 5 not gets 20, right? Can be factorized into 10 into 2. 10 to the 20, and 10 plus 2 gets 12. 4 plus 5 gets 9 only, right? So and we will try for only addition, because of the plus है, इसलिए हमको ऐसा खोजना है कि ऐड करने पे क्या आना चाहिए, 12 आना चाहिए. So this can be written as x plus 1 x square plus 10x. It is the condition of addition, so both signs should be plus, right? Since it is a condition of addition, जब एडिशन का कंडीशन है तो both sides should be same, right? Now take common intos. X is common here, x plus 10 plus 2 is common here, x plus 10. Here we can say x is common, x square gets x, 10x gets 10. 2 is common, because 2 and 20 can be divided by only 2. 2 is common, we are left only x. 2 10 20 plus plus plus. Now we find that x plus 10 also common. X plus 10 is also common. What is that here? X plus 2. Right? Now we can write it in the simple way. X plus 1 and x plus 10 and x plus 2. In the last question, previous question, question number A, we have x plus 1 same 2 times, but here are three are different. This is the complete factor of the cubic polynomial. This, right? We have three factors, three linear factors. Okay, thank you. Try this question number C at home. If you get problem, you can simplify it and WhatsApp me, or you can contact in school time. Okay, thank you.